Understanding Loan Settlement Services, a quick guide to debt relief. Are you struggling with debt? Loan settlement services might be your ticket to relief. Let's break down what they are and how they can help you. What are loan settlement services? Loan settlement services are agencies or processes that help borrowers negotiate with lenders to close outstanding loans, often when the borrower is unable to repay in full. The goal is to settle the loan account through a mutually agreed partial payment so that the lender recovers some money instead of initiating legal or recovery action, and the borrower avoids long-term harassment or litigation. This usually applies to personal loans, credit cards, business loans, and unsecured debts where repayment has become impossible due to financial hardship, job loss, or business failure. What loan settlement services typically are in India? These are services where a borrower who is unable to meet loan EMI obligations engages a third party, or does it themselves, to negotiate with the lender to accept a reduced amount or modified terms to simplify resolve the debt. For example, paying 70% instead of 100% of outstanding, or extending tenure, etc. What they claim to do: evaluate your finances and debt burden, assist in negotiating a settlement with bank NBFC, particularly unsecured loans or credit cards, handle harassment from recovery agents. How loan settlement works? Loan settlement is not a waiver. It's a negotiated compromise between borrower and lender. Typically, a borrower explains their financial distress, and the lender agrees to accept a lump sum settlement amount that is lower than the total outstanding balance, principal plus interest plus penalties. Once this payment is made, the account is closed as settled, not paid in full. This can protect the borrower from immediate recovery actions, but it does not erase the default history. When settlement is used, loan settlement is a last resort option, typically used when you've defaulted for several months. There's no ability to pay future EMIs due to job loss, illness, or business loss. The account is in recovery or legal notice stage. Who provides loan settlement services? You can negotiate directly with your bank's recovery or settlement department. Banks and NBFCs directly. You can negotiate directly with your bank's recovery or settlement department. Debt settlement agencies. These are private firms that negotiate with lenders on your behalf. They analyze your debts, communicate with creditors, and attempt to reduce the payable amount. Is it right for you? Loan settlement can be a viable option if you're facing overwhelming debt and can't keep up with monthly payments. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. While it can help you save money, it may also negatively impact your credit score. Key considerations. Before choosing a loan settlement service, research and ensure they have a good reputation. Be cautious of scams only work with licensed and ethical organizations. Additionally, understand any fees involved and be clear on the timeline for repayment. In summary, loan settlement services can provide debt relief when used wisely. They can help you negotiate and pay off your debts more effectively, but it's crucial to stay informed and cautious. Explore your options and take control of your financial future today. Want to learn more? Visit our website